Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm filming outdoors, as you can see, and as usual I'm competing with the local wildlife and the dawn chorus from the birds, so you'll have to excuse any interruptions. Now, one of the first modifications, and perhaps the cheapest and simplest modification so far, has been to install one of these headlight guards. I got this from a guy out in the UK called Kevin Maskrey, but I bought it off eBay. Just be careful, it has been copied already by the Chinese. So I'll put Kevin's store link down below in the description. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, it's as tough as old boots, but I have noticed that Kevin started to custom etch logos into these, so you can put whatever you want on there, and obviously I couldn't resist getting the channel logo etched on there. Now, I bought a couple of these. Why do I need two? Well, one of them I'm going to change over in a few seconds, but the other one I'm going to give away. So if you think you deserve one of these, or you want to just leave me a sarcastic or funny comment, leave that down below. I'll get in touch with you and I'll post it out to wherever you are in the world. Okay, so let's move in and we'll switch over the guards. Stay tuned. So if you're doing this for the first time, you'll need to remove the factory torque screws that hold this headlamp cover on. I'm not sure on the size of that, but don't throw them away. Keep them safe in case you change your mind later on. First thing I've done is taken off the black plastic cover, and then we'll unscrew the 4 stainless fasteners. Okay, we'll repeat the process. Okay, a little bit fiddly, but you don't need any mechanical skills. Alright, whilst the cover's off, we'll give the headlamp a clean, and then we'll reinstall the new one. Stay with me. Okay, so we'll just use some regular glass cleaner, Windex, that sort of stuff, and a soft cloth, and just be nice and gentle. The good thing about these headlight guards is, as you can see, they're only held on by 4 screws, so it's no biggie just to take the guard off every now and then, should I say, and just give everything a bit of a clean. Having said that, that's been on there 18 months, down lots of dusty roads, and that's the first time I've ever taken it off, so it isn't too bad. Get that little, we just love that noise. Alright, so that's all cleaned. Let's get the new guard and we'll pop that on. Okay, we'll just quickly take a look at the contents in the box before we go ahead and replace the existing guard. So obviously it comes with the guard. It's got protective film on it, which you'll need to take off before you install it. You get 4 stainless steel fasteners or screws, you get some spacers, you get some caps to cover the top of the screws to make it look nice and neat, and you also get some instructions, but to be honest, it's 4 screws, you shouldn't really need to look at those. Okay, let's go ahead and switch over the guard. Okay, so this is the new guard. That's the front of it, and this is the rear. Now, it's got a protective film on the rear, so you know, Murphy's Law says that you'll probably put that on and then realise. I'm just giving you the heads up. So, always great fun doing this, isn't it? Alright, we'll just pull that off, and then we'll get our 4 screws and pop that back on. Okay, so let's install the new guard. Now, if my memory serves me correctly, last time I started with the bottom screws, made life a bit easier, but I think I left them a little bit loose, and then I could make some adjustments. I think the bottom one was quite fiddly if I remember rightly. So we'll just pop that in there. Just give that a couple of turns to hold it in place. Grab the screwdriver. Okay, there she goes. Get the top ones. Just give that a couple of turns just to get it started. Get the last one. Sorry if this is like watching paint dry, guys. Fast forward if you don't like it. Alright, there we go. Don't need to over tighten these. They're self-tapping screws and they'll just grip in there on the plastic just nicely. Just check everything. It's all good. Grab our caps. Whoops. There we go. Ah, that went all right. I could have sworn I would have dropped one of those on camera. Okay, last thing to do is remove this plastic, but I won't put you through that. That'll be torture to watch. Well, there you go, guys. A 5-minute project that might save you a lot of money. I think that looks pretty cool. And don't forget, leave me a comment if you want the other one. That's it from me today. As always, ride safe. Have a great day.